Hello everyone, my name is Rachel and I'm going to be talking about a few fun facts of aromatherapy in relation to veterinary medicine. I wanted to first reference an essential oils pocket book. I noticed that they had a section for animals. So I'm skeptical in some of the claims in this book, however, they are very intriguing. One of those is the treatment of Giardia in animals and humans with the use of basil or peppermint or some of the vitality oils. As you can see, it says that depending on whether you're using a capsule or a dietary oil, one of the recommendations is take 2 to 3 drops of vitality or a dietary oil in a spoonful of syrup or a small amount of milk, juice, or water. Here's a clip of Young Living Essential Oils Company's website discussing their own Vitality dietary essential oil line. They're used specifically for oral purposes and as dietary supplements. So I decided to do a little research. I did go onto Google Scholar first. It's very limited information. Here's a study from Natural Product Communications titled Effects of Essential Oils on the Growth of Giardia. Here they found that among the 18 essential oils that they tested, those with phenolic compositions were most effective, particularly those in high contents of carvacrol, such as Timbra capitata. Timbra capitata is a Mediterranean thyme. Of the growth that they had, these oils effectively decreased them down to only 50%. The other website that I found information on, animalwellnessmagazine.com, is an article by Dr. Susie Bieber, Guard Against Giardia in Dogs. They found that grapefruit seed extract was most effective as a preventative, claiming that she would give a few drops in their water supply or their food for their dog, and they never had a problem. And then secondly, they claim that the oil of oregano has a substance called carvacrol. Carvacrol was also what the study mentioned that the 2 essential oils that worked, including the thyme, was high in, and they believe was what was effective against Giardia. Carvacrol is a type of phenol. Phenols are known to be antiseptics, so that might be a reason why it's so effective against Giardia. She used 2 to 3 drop oil of oregano simply added to her dog's food before taking their dogs to the lake or to somewhere that they felt like they might be exposed to Giardia. A website that I had found, it's called thedogbakery.com. They talk about the potential to use coconut oil as a preventative and treatment for Giardia. Quote, coconut oil contains lauric acid, which the parasites consume, and it literally causes them to explode and die, end quote. The reason why I decided to include this is because coconut oil is often used as like a medium that you can put your essential oils into for yourself or your dog to consume. It also can be used as a topical. It's just too easy to go to the veterinarian and get metronidazole. Maybe I would do it for funsies and test it out. Fun facts nonetheless. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.
Hello everyone. So I have a fun fact that I found about using essential oils for your dog's breath. There are a couple that I have found. I will start with peppermint oil. Apparently this is a obviously natural breath freshener. It kills odor-causing bacteria. These are all safe for pets. And then the next is tea tree oil. This fights bacteria and germs that cause tooth decay, and it also fights bad breath. But with tea tree oil, it is very important to remember that this must be diluted down quite a bit. This is probably one of the ones that I found that, if not diluted down, can be very harmful to your pet. And then there was a study in 2002 that said it was actually more effective than chlorhexidine. We'll see. And then the next is myrrh oil. This is used to treat inflamed gums and bad breath. And then also the same 2002 study said that it can help to treat gingivitis. And the next is oregano oil, which I've actually never heard of this one. This one can treat oral infections. It acts as an anti-inflammatory, so if your dog has loose teeth, it can probably help with some discomfort from that. And it is recommended that for all of these oils that just a few drops are mixed in with your dog's toothpaste. They said that try to get your dog not to swallow the toothpaste, but I brush my dog's teeth and it's kind of hard to tell how much they swallow. So they say only mix a drop or two, or you can dilute it down and then dip a cotton ball and rub it on your dog's gums. So yeah, the main things was to make sure they don't swallow. And then of course, anytime you're going to use an essential oil on your pet, please consult your vet. Thanks for watching.
Hello, my name is Nyla, and here are 3 fun facts about aromatherapy. You can use carrier oils such as fractionated coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, almond oil to dilute your essential oil instead of water. You do not use oils typically on your pets if they're using a topical medication or a dermal patch, like topical flea tick preventatives or a fentanyl patch. Know your pet's health status is important because each animal has varied sensitivities to the essential oil used. And based on the fact that aromatherapy, there's not enough information known about it, the only time I would probably use aromatherapy is if there was like a water diffuser to help me diffuse the oils throughout the house. Otherwise, I wouldn't use it since there's this fear of mine that I might overdose or give them an allergic reaction. Plus, my pets are older, so their health is not as lively as, say, a younger dog. And I definitely wouldn't use it in a cat, of course, because their sensitivity is on a different level compared to a dog or a livestock animal. I also got my fun facts from essentialoilvets.com from Dr. Janet Rourke. Thank you for watching.